Are you interested in homes in the canyons in Castle Pines, Colorado? I've got home models for you. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Alyson Wahl with Keller Williams and Live South Denver in Denver, Colorado. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about homes in the canyons at Castle Pines. And I have got models from KB Homes and their paired ranch style homes at Castle Pines. And these aren't even available models at the Castle Pines locations yet at the canyons. I was able to get a tour at one of the other locations here in town. So this is a little bit of a sneak peek, if you will. Hit that subscribe button if you like what you're seeing. There'll be new videos about the canyons at Castle Pines and other great neighborhoods around South Denver, and I don't want you to miss out. KB Homes is one of the 5 builders in the canyons at Castle Pines. One of the collections that KB Homes has is a paired ranch style home. So there'll be one ranch here and one ranch here, and you'll share a divided wall. I can't talk today. Wall. I have the models for you. I've walked through them and we have videos of all of those. So let's get to it. Let's go in and see the Mural by KB Homes, the villas. This will be one of the home models in the canyons. So let's go take a tour. These are paired homes, ranch style living by KB. So this home, you walk in and you have in front of you the laundry room. Off to the side is the garage. This is kind of your mud entry space. And we've got this. So you'll see your garage is right here. Your finished laundry space with standard wood shelving is in here. It's so nice to have a full laundry room. And you really can make this a mudroom. There's ample space. So we come into the living area, and this is so open. Each floor plan is a little bit different feel. So we have the island, the dining space, and the living space. So we have the standard granite here for the kitchen. Again, we have a type of upgraded sink and faucet. This one is a slightly upgraded sink. The standard would be just a smaller divided stainless steel sink. These are, again, upgraded cabinets, but not as much as in the other model, the ambience. The under cabinet lighting, the finished backsplash are upgrades. We have a smaller pantry in this model. It's still quite nice. One of the things I've learned in talking with the super and walking the homes, you have the option of selecting finish colors. So you see here, we have oil rub bronze finish for the door handle here. You can select oil rub bronze on the main floor for your doors, but then you could select brushed nickel in the basement if you'd had a basement. And again here, for the kitchen, we have one style here. You could select something completely different in color and shape in the bathrooms. This is unusual for a builder, so it's a perk to keep in mind. If this is the right home for you, you may really enjoy some of the design elements and choice that you have. If you want to know some of the standard elements for lighting or other things in this room, please look at one of my other videos where I talk about that. The fireplace is an upgrade. Patio is included. Let's go into the master. Oh, let's take a peek at the closet here. My initial thought was this closet was going to be narrow when I saw the wall at the entry, but it's not. It bumps out just a little bit into the living space, and it's a great walk-in closet. And here's your master. You have a pocket bath. toilet room, pocket toilet. A linen closet. And you'll see the design center selected knobs and finishes that do mirror the kitchen, but you would have separate options for selection. The tile goes to the ceiling. That is an upgrade. They do have poured shower pans versus the plastic, you would call these shower pans. That's also an option. And the super is working on zero entry. He currently has several customers who are in wheelchairs, some permanently, and they are working on different options for them. Some clients are buying these as is, and in particular, one really enjoys this model because of all this extra space right here. And they're just going to demo this shower and make it bigger so it can be a true roll-in shower. Others are wanting to have a roll-out pan. Others are able to buy this as is. They use shower chairs. There's different dynamics there based on what your needs are. All right, let's go look at bath 2. This is a Formica countertop, a tub, again tiled to the ceiling. This is, if you'll see here, that's their standard trim height. It's shorter in this house. And they went with standard doors. Let me back up and you can see. The door height is not as tall in this home as it is in one of the other models. Go back and look at the video for the ambience model and you'll see the taller door height. This is styled as a craft room, but you can see based on the storage back there that you really could fit quite a large bed in this space. And here's the closet. A lot of storage space in here. It's deeper than most. The bedroom across the way. Again, queen size bed and another deep closet. You could really customize this closet space, very deep. Well, that concludes the tour of this model. I've broken each of these up into separate videos, so click on the next one and get to watching. If you're thinking of moving to the area, whether it's to the canyons or not, give me a call. I would love to help you, answer any questions I can for you, and get you started on what you need to know to move to South Denver.